All right, this is the Bettermaker502P Plugin, which is a remote control of the hardware unit. And it's one of the coolest features because now we're running our audio through the hardware, but we have the software control. So when I make changes here, I can look at my hardware unit and I'm indeed remote controlling it. I have the USB plugged in. So what I'm doing here is I'm going out of Pro Tools into the unit, out of the unit, back into Pro Tools. So this is a true hardware insert. And of course I have all the same kind of controls. I can double tap here on the preset. I mean the box, the software plugin functions just like the box. So I can make my changes. I can rename my presets. Here's all these 400 presets. Whoa, gotta back out a little bit there. I renamed number 1 as my vocalist, and then once I did that, I saved that in my session folder. So I made a, this is just a standard plugin dialog box here. I can save my sessions, save settings as, I just saved it as my name, but I also went down here to settings preferences and made sure that my plugin settings to save to my session folder. So if I can do this, let me bring up my session folder here, and we can see indeed that plugin settings, there's a new folder now called in your main session folder, and then we have the EQ folder, and then finally that preset. Now that's the plugin, the general plugin preset, so that's saving all the settings of this plugin. So when I bring up my, this is my EQ that I love, if I change that a little bit and go to another one and then go back, it's of course still at that other one. I can compare that to the previous save state by hitting this compare button, or I can just reload my last saved session there for that last saved settings for that plugin. So there's some Pro Tools functionality here that are built in. But that's the Bettermaker502P plugin.